What do y'all think of that? Representing in the back window, Black Sheep RC. But anyway, you guys, we got some shenanigans today. We got a 6S Outcast on 4S. We got a 3S Losi Tenacity on 3S, and we're gonna bash him off this jump. We're gonna see what happens. Let's go. First victim, boys, 3S Losi Tenacity. Oh, broken ankle. 3S Ripper though. Oh yeah, that's the first time I've had her out in a long time, boys. I ain't had her out in the open in a long time. Oh yeah. I don't know why people don't like it. Probably one of my best handling cars. Oh no. Everyone lives on. Nuts, y'all. Oh my God, it tried to get me. You know me, topless always do. Years. Oh. I didn't hit it very good, did I? Backflipped it. Oh, I was going back. Well, folks, and that hit did her. And all it did was bent the little hinge pin. Look at this, guys. The little hinge pin retainer back here that holds the hinge pin. All it did was bent that thing out enough just to pop a hinge pin out. Actually, I could probably pop a hinge pin back in there, and there ain't nothing wrong with this truck, guys. False alarm is linked. Oh God, it's too much power for its own good on 4S even. It's only on 4S, guys. Perfect though, baby. Let's get a feel for it here. That was sick, yo. Alright, that was sick. There we go. No, Arrma Mafia sticker shining. Nice landing, baby. Bumpers build, by the way, y'all. This guy. That was sweet. Wasn't huge, but sweet. What the hell was that? Exactly. Let's try some Aldo loyal stuff up here. We're gonna try some Aldo. See how good this works for us. Wasn't as spectacular, no Aldos, was it? I tried, Aldo, man. I tried to make you proud. Oh, that's a steep hill. Hold on. Fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck. Oh. Down we went. Cameras down, trucks down, everybody's down. That's what I get for trying to run like a dumbass with the camera. I went down, wrecked the truck, probably broke it, doing a crazy backflip, and landed upside down, running like an idiot. No. Oh no. Oh no, y'all. There goes my wheel. That just cartwheeled up this, hit that rock, shot my, oh man. Oh, let's go see how bad that is. We see any parts through here yet? Damn. I'm gonna venture to say it probably just snapped a pin. No, it ripped the whole damn wheel off. I get ripped the whole wheel off. What the world? It still got, or it took the threads with it somehow. Maybe we stripped the wheel out or something. How the hell? All right, here's the wheel. It's kind of stripped out, yeah, but where the hell did the hex go? All right, let me find this hex, see if we can get back busy. Well, boys and girls, I came home. I fixed them both, and we're gonna break out the ramp, and we're gonna see who wins this thing once and for all. We're gonna shoot them out here in the grass. We're gonna run our ass up this launch. Boom, bow, out there they go. Let's see who wins this thing. Oh God, car. All right, here we go. Just gonna have to go for it. Damn, I hit myself in the head. Well, that's no good. Told you she can make it. Get out of there. Oh my God. We about hit ourselves in. Haha. Him hit it once. Get up here beside the ramp so you don't hit yourself. Right over here, yeah. Come on, hit it once and get out of there. All right, go forward. Just hit it hard. Go. Ah, can't he die going? You gotta let off the gas, brother. That's all right. Let me see it. You see how I tapped the brakes to bring it down? Oh, we killed it again. It's not liking that concrete landings. But bring it up here, bud. I gotta squirt this back some more. Hold on. And she's armed, baby. This truck ain't been on this shit in a long time, boys and girls. This truck ain't been on here in a long. This is my stunt truck too, boys. Here we go with the flippage. Watch out. Something. Ejected a dog bone. We need to find that dog bone, boys. All right, boys and girls, so the verdict's in. This one finished the pack. This one kicked the dog bone. And the whole bulkhead in the rear end is coming loose as a goosey. You see that? Yeah, she's loosey goosey. So, all in all, both still together. Dog bone ejected, nothing major. Nothing major over here, ready to go, flawless. You decide the winner. Hope y'all enjoy. Peace out.